Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to do opening of DJI Avata 2. So let's get started. So this is the box you actually get. This is the bag basically you'll be getting while buying the Avata 2. This is the Avata 2 combo pack. So bag quality, it's really nice. If you'll see, they give you this chain. Okay, you have this chain here, and then on side you have this pocket. Here you have one pocket, and this side you have other pocket. Here you can keep like extra stuff, maybe your SD card or something else. And here you have little bit a small pocket also, this one. Yeah, I don't know what you can keep here, but yeah, you can still keep some stuff here. And then you have this band, so you can carry this bag quite easily. You can adjust the length of this band also, so this is quite nice. And the quality of material, it feels really awesome. It feels really premium. Now let's open it. So it doesn't open fully. You have to like twist it like this hardly, but yeah, that's fine. Here you have a compartment. This is the drone compartment, this is the VR compartment, and here you have a remote compartment, and this is the battery compartment, or vice versa. On top here you have a chain where you can keep your other stuff like extra propellers. You do get a lot of propellers with it. You do get extra lenses also for your VR. So these are some extra things you do get with this drone. I'm keeping these things here. Let me keep these things, these pens, little aside. Now let's take out this stuff one by one. Here we have this remote, so you'll be getting this remote. This is the motion controller. This is the first thing you get. And then you have these 3 batteries. You get a charging dock also with this combo, and yeah, that's all. And yeah, one more thing, only single battery gets charged at a time. So if you're thinking like all these 3 batteries will be getting charged simultaneously, that's not possible. Only single battery gets charged. Then you have a VR headset. Yep, you have this VR headset. And then you have a drone. Okay, and then inside this, if you'll see, you will get DJI stickers also. DJI sticker, and this extra band you will be getting. This is basically a forehead band. So let's suppose your this band is not getting adjusted. In that case, you can attach it here, so you can increase the size of it. That's all. And then apart from this, there is nothing else. There is just this L key you do get with this drone. Let me keep all these things inside the bag so we can discuss about the other stuff. I'll just show you the other stuff. Bag is here, it's fine. So this is the VR headset you'll be getting. The quality is really nice, it feels awesome. And this is the battery pack here, so it lasts for a really long time. I have done a single charge for this as well as for this remote, and it lasts for a week. At least in my case it lasted. Then yeah, weekly I use it on a, basically in a week I use it for 3 to 9 times I do use drone. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's really nice. The quality is really good. And inside this, one thing I'll say, it's not 360 view. Okay, it's just like a single screen you will be seeing inside it. If you're thinking, hey, it's a 360 view, I can move it around like this, I'll be able to see everything. No, it's not like that. Then you have a batteries are cool. That's it. Each battery gives you like 20 to 25 minutes of flying time. I'll suggest it only gives you like 18 minutes of flying time or 20 minutes of flying time if you are using the speed mode in that case. And then you have this motion controller. This feels really nice and it's really easy to use, really easy. The only issue I have with this one is like during backwarding the drone, that is little difficult in this case, in this motion control. Plus one more thing, let's suppose there is an object and you want to fly your drone around it, that also becomes little challenging. That's not easy to get to do basically. And then you have a drone itself. So yeah, in drone you have a camera here, plus you have a charging socket, plus SD card option here. Same goes for your VR. You have a sensor here plus SD card option, so you can put SD card on both of them. And yeah, it does come with the default storage of 16 GB, I think 16 GB. Yep. That's it. That's all about this. That's all you get inside the DJI Avata 2 box. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any further questions, do let me know. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See ya.